I'm a third owner. 6,000 mile and plus. Oil change. Everything working on the car. Tire has probably 200 miles. Some area. Window tint on because this car has a giant windows in California. Usually I park in the garage. I don't know the previous owner, but that's a garage door. But that's all. As you can see, there's some little stuff there, but come on. It's really good shape. It has a cover with these cars. The paint starts coming up. But usually when people take out the door panel, just or even this part, usually no rust. So I'll put this on. Simi Valley Chevrolet.